When they have discovered like fraud and abuse, they can implicate the practices and the providers under various rules and laws. One such thing is called as a FCA, False Claim Act. Say for example, you are billing a 99203 always instead of a 99202. That is a false claim. That itself a wrong claim. And upcoding is also false, right? So that automatically becomes a false claim. Next is something called like qui tam policy. In a qui tam, whistleblower, the employee, the staff of that particular organization is trying to whistleblow the information to the government or to any auditing agency. The employee who is bringing this information is called as a relator. And if there is gross violation that is being done and if the government is able to recover these huge penalties, a percentage of the penalty will be given to the person who whistleblowed it. The whistleblower, it would be given. Maybe like 15 to 25% it would be given to the relator. Relator is actually the whistleblower. Here there are certain measures where the company should not take action on the employee, he should not terminate the employee. There are certain benefits. So that is a qui tam policy.